A small home doesn't mean small dreams. If anything, it invites us to be more intentional, more creative, and more connected to the way we live. In today's episode, we'll be exploring design ideas that are not just about making a space look bigger, but helping it live better. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Join us as we share how to design a small home to have a larger impression. Tip number 1, think vertical, not just horizontal. In a small home, when every square meter counts, look up. Wall space is often underutilized in small homes. One tip is to install tall shelves that draw the eyes upwards or use floating cabinets or hanging plants to keep the floors clear. This adds height and airiness, a key element in interior design for small spaces. Tip number 2, multifunctionality is key. Every piece in a small home should be intentionally chosen, not just for how it looks, but what it does as well. When furniture is both multifunctional and stylish, it doesn't just fill a space, it adapts with it, offering flexibility as your needs shift. For instance, a Murphy bed that folds away seamlessly, converting the guest room into a workspace. Tip number 3, let there be light. Lighting can make or break a small space. Maximize natural light with sheer curtains or open windows. But don't stop there. In a compact home, overhead lighting alone can feel harsh. Use layered lighting, ambient for warmth, task lighting for focus, and accent lights for mood. In small homes, the right lighting layout adds depth and makes even tight spaces feel larger. Tip number 4, use color with purpose. Color isn't just decorative, it's strategic. Light colors open up a space by reflecting light and creating a calm backdrop. And if you love bold tones, use them as accents. For an example, in this home, a navy blue wall behind the bed grounds the space and creates focus without overwhelming the room. Tip number 5, embrace mirrors and reflection. Mirrors are a small space essential. They bounce light, reflect views, and visually double your space. But don't just hang a mirror and call it a day. Think mirrored furniture, reflected tiles, or even high-gloss finishes on cabinetry. It's all about creating visual rhythm and brightness. If you're interested in home innovations like these, you need to check out ARCHIDEX 2025. More ideas, more innovation, more possibilities. This year, ARCHIDEX returned bigger and better than ever. Expanding to 2 iconic venues, the Malaysia International Trade Exhibition Centre and Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre. At the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, I'm especially excited about the World of Works, they call BEAU, a creative, immersive space exploring future trends in workspace design. Trust me, it's a must-see. And over at MeTech, you'll find FinesseTechs, a brand new exhibition all about cutting-edge window, door, glass, and facade solutions. And that's just the beginning. From conferences to the latest product launches, there's so much to explore. ARCHIDEX 2025 is happening from the 21st to the 24th July at MeTech, and from 23rd to the 26th of July at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre from 10 AM to 7 PM. Join us and be inspired, and you've come across us, do say hi. See you there. Tip number 6, declutter, but make it intentional. In small homes, a cluttered small space feels even smaller. But decluttering doesn't mean being minimalist, it's being intentional. Curate what you display. Group objects by texture or tone. Use trays, basket, and boxes to keep things tidy. Let your space breathe, but still feel like you. Tip number 7, create empty space. Negative space matters. A clear floor, an unadorned wall, an empty corner, these pauses in design allow the eye to rest. In small homes, less isn't just more. It's essential. Leave pockets of openness, empty corners, clear floors, breathing walls. A room doesn't need to be full to feel complete. Tip number 8, blur the boundaries. In smaller footprints, rigid layouts can feel suffocating. Instead, consider fluid spaces using design to suggest zones without blocking them off. A good tip is to use open shelving between the kitchen and dining. Low consoles instead of walls, curtains instead of doors. Fluid transitions keep your home feeling light, open, and dynamic. Tip number 9, frame focal point. Every room needs a visual anchor, whether it's a sculptural pendant like a textured wall or a piece of art you love. In small homes, having one clear focal point gives the room structure and helps the rest of the design quietly fall into place. Tip number 10, design through daily rituals. Small spaces come alive when designed around how you live, not just how they look. Observe your daily rituals. Morning coffee by the window, evening reading on the floor, watering your plants, then shape your space to support those quiet moments. Maybe it's a narrow ledge that becomes your tea corner, a warm lamp by the bed for winding down, a nook near the entrance for putting on your shoes. These are the small rituals, but they are deeply personal. Design isn't just visual, it's emotional. And when your home supports your daily rhythm, even a compact space begins to feel comforting. Designing a small home isn't about limiting yourself. It's about designing with care, purpose, and creativity. Your small space can be beautiful, functional, and entirely your own. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related content, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned to more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.